In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing of the Samsung 32GB SD card. So this is the SD card you can get for around $10 US. So depending on where you get them, they're priced around $10. And so this is the actual packaging of the SD card. It is very slim and it's very light as well. Inside the packaging, you get the actual SD card right here and the adapter. So we can open it up and see what's inside this SD card. It is quite visible of what you're getting. I'm just going to cut it down at the top right there, and then I'm just going to open it. So open it here along the edge, and this will open up, free the plastic packaging. So it's holding down the SD card right there, so we can open it up. So here it is. I'm just going to open it like this. Oops, it just jumped right up. And this is the actual micro SD card. So here it is. The Samsung 32GB. You can see there's some small writing right there. It says made in the Philippines. So this micro SD card is made in Philippines, not Korea. And Samsung 32GB. It's got the EVO Select. And this is the adapter. Come with the SD cards. So this adapter is made in China and the SD card is made in Philippines, so they are made in the same country of origin, but it is designed by Samsung. So you can use this adapter and put the micro SD card in. If you have a laptop or something, you can put in the laptop. I bought this SD card for the use of my GoPro, or you can use it inside your mobile phone. It's only 32GB, not that big. It's cheap, it's only $10. So I'm just going to use it and see how I go with it and see if it can last for a while. And that's it. That's what's inside your Samsung 32GB SD card. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.